Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I am going to share a pocket letter swap that I received while I was sick, and I haven't even opened this this package. My excuse me, my partner got her package. She's opened it. She has posted pictures, and I am still here trying to get it together. So my partner was Ophelia, and the group that we were in is Made by You. And so this is my swap, my return swap. So I am going to open it with you guys, and we are going to see what she sent. Ophelia, I have known Ophelia for a number of years now. But she recently joined Made by You on Facebook. And we were just partnered up for this swap, and I was very excited because I've known her for a little while, and I was just excited to swap with her. I have not swapped with her in a really long time, and I don't even remember what the last swap was. So this is what was in the package. Oh my gosh, let me see. Let's put this on the top. So she has included this beautiful, maybe handmade, no, or maybe not. I don't know. She has included this beautiful flower on the front of this package with a clothespin, and it says hi on there. And this is so adorable. So it is peel and stick. So I'm thinking maybe she purchased this. That is so pretty. Thank you, Ophelia. I love that. I love that. So let us see what is in this little package. So corresponding with her, she and I are kind of the same. She didn't stuff the back of her pockets, and I didn't either, as you saw that I sealed mine so it could be a wall hanging. So I believe what she told me was that her extras were these right here. I believe she said that she packaged them separately. So let's see what is in this cute little bag. The chevron pink and white. Oh, she's got a whole bunch of cut aparts, ephemera. And here, I'll use this. So she's got this little flag that I can personalize. She's got all these beautiful flowers. Oh, look at that little bunny, how cute. Oh, that one is so adorable. So she's got these flowers, and she's got some tags. Oh, this one's cute. I wonder if this comes out. Oh, that does come out. How adorable is that? And then she's got this little file folder with this little pocket with a file folder in there. So adorable. And then she's got this tag, and it's got this cute little flower right on the front. Very pretty. I can put that in a pocket or something like that. And then she's got this one. It's a little flag banner, a pennant, and it's sewn on there. So adorable. And this cute little bunny. And then, oh, look at the little ticket. I could totally customize that. So this is what was inside the first envelope. Very, very cute. Thank you, Ophelia. I know I can use those. And in this cute blue one with the white hearts, she's got chipboard tags on here, or in here. Very, very pretty. I can totally use these, and yeah, I love this one. I like them all, but this one's my favorite, I think. Yeah, I really like that. Oh yeah, a little bit too big, but yep, very pretty. Thank you, Ophelia. I appreciate that. And in this plastic resealable bag, she's got some more goodies, and let us see what is in here. You know, guys, I have so many bags, and I don't even use them. I need to start using my bags. That one's really, really cute. So in here, she's got a little, oh, how cute. She's got a little package, and in this package, she's got a whole bunch of bling. She's got some tags, that cute little felt bunny, paper clips. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that little, oh, I can definitely use this. This is so cute. I love that. Great idea. I like that pom-pom. The way she did that. Super, super cute. Love that. Thank you, Ophelia. Oh, that's so cute. I like that little, and then she clipped it. Oh, she clipped it on there right in the center. So adorable. Very, very cute, Miss Ophelia. Thank you. Oh, and she's got some bites in the back. Super, super duper cute. And then in this one, she's got some foam flowers, and then they have tulle around them. Very pretty. Definitely use these. I don't know if I have this size, but I like the foam flowers. And in here, she has got a card. Oh, how cool. You know what, guys? I saw Happy Crafter. She, one of her swap partners, I think sells these. I don't remember, but this is, I was going to look into it because this is such a great idea. I'm really bad about labeling swaps, and I was going to look into getting some of these. That is so cool. Love that. Aww. She's just thanking me for the swap, and she is glad she's in the group. Thank you, Ophelia. I'm glad you're in the group too. I love this little card. And then, oh, she sent me, oh, nice. She sent me a die. Crafter's Companion, and it makes this cute little bird right here. Very adorable. Thank you, Miss Ophelia. I like that. That's so pretty. The outline, and then the feather and whatnot. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you, Ophelia. I love that. Thank you. And then she's got this a tassel. She's got a really big tassel. I'm gonna take it out because it's so pretty, guys. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, that I'm definitely going to hang this in my craft room. I'm not going to reuse this for anyone. I'm going to hang it in my craft room. So pretty. Look at that bow, the little key. She's got all these little ribbon and the Chanel yarn. That is so pretty. Look at these beads. How pretty are the beads? I love this, Ophelia. I really do. I love this. This will be hanging in my craft room somewhere. Very pretty. I love it. Thank you, Ophelia. And then in this envelope, she's got it closed with a bow paper clip. In here, I didn't send her quite as much, guys. I was sick, and I honestly just sent her what I sent. I didn't send a whole lot, so I'm sorry, Ophelia. In this one, she has got a tag. Oh, how pretty. Handmade by Ophelia, March 2023. And that is a beautiful tag. Look at these felt flowers. How pretty are those? She decorated, look at the colors. I love the colors. She put a little hanging bunny right here. How cute. And then she tied it with some, or she tied some tulle on the top. I like this. That's pretty. Thank you, ma'am. That's very pretty. I appreciate that. And this, my friends, I had never seen this. I don't know where she got it. That is so cute. That is adorable. Look at that little bunny. It's a felt pouch. So super duper cute with the ears, flower on the ear. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Definitely, definitely using this one. So adorable. Love that. And this is her pocket letter, guys. So let's open this up. Oh, how pretty. So it was a spring Easter pocket letter swap. And let's look at this pocket letter. So this is her pocket letter, and she did not put anything in the back, which is totally okay. This is what she would have put. That's more than what she would have put in the back pockets. And that's her little tag. Handmade by Ophelia, March 2023. She put a little heart right there. Super cute. And let's start with the side. She went ahead and put a ribbon going through the side of the pocket letter. And then she put a dangle on here. Oh, she put my name on there. Super cute. Oh, look at this. Look at this bead. How pretty is that? Oh, I love that bead. Very, very pretty. I like this dangle. I like them. I like it all. I like it all. I love it. It turned out beautiful. Thank you, Ophelia. Oh, I love that. Okay, so her pocket letter, guys. In this first pocket, she said, or she put a sentiment. You make my heart flutter. And then she put this beautiful felt bunny. I really like these. This I don't know where she got it, because guys, I have not been shopping in like forever. She put this felt bunny on there with oh, that is so cute. I love that bunny. And then it says beautiful right here, a little bouquet of flowers with leaves, the butterfly. And look at this girl right here. Isn't she cute? I wonder if she came like that, or she built her. I don't know, but that is so cute. I love the bunny girl. Oh my, you know, she looks like a I can't remember the name of the girls that you can cut and stamp, and I can't remember the name right now, but that's what she looks like because of the shoes. So I'll remember at some point, maybe after the video, but I'll remember. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. And then she she made a butterfly bow right here. That's so pretty. Put some pearls in the center. And again with the bunny. I like these felt pieces. And then a butterfly. There was another one right here. She put a fence right in the for the background. And then she put another little banner right there with like a doily on the back. And then it says hello spring. She used that beautiful paper. She put a little house right here. And some eggs, some felt eggs. Another butterfly with a flower. And then she put some trim on the bottom. Very pretty trim. So I think this one is going to stay up for a little bit. I hope that I was in frame. So hopefully you were able to see everything. Guys, the way I have my camera, it's a little high. So I have to really, you know, get on my tippy toes and look to see if you're in frame. And I try to stay in this area. Sometimes it doesn't work. So there was the top. Here was the center, and here was the bottom with that beautiful trim. Let me show you that trim. It is pretty. That is a beautiful trim. And I don't know if I was in focus for you to see the dangle. So super cute. I love the dangle. I really like this bead. But anyway, that is her pocket letter to me with all the rest of all the goodies. And Ophelia, thank you so much for sharing with me. Ophelia, thank you so much. I appreciate the swap. I love it all. And I hope you enjoyed what I sent you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.